কাশবন দুলছে যে শাড়ি কবে ঠাক দেবে ডাক দিন গুনছে যে তারি দেখো মন কাশবন দুলছে যে শাড়ি কবে ঠাক দেবে ডাক দিন গুনছে যে তারি শিউলি মাখা গল্প আগমনের সুর।
Hey there all you gorgeous people! Welcome back to my channel! I'm Shobhagya Durga Puja, Onik Shobhita, our Bhalabasha Janai. Today I'm going to show you a look for Durga Puja, which is coming up pretty soon. I thought of doing something different and unique. It is called the Brazilian Angel Wings Eyeliner, which is a new style of enhancing the traditional look. I will be concentrating more on the brows, eyes and lips and keeping it loud and sharp, yet traditional. So let's get started. I have already prepped and primed my face. I always like to do my eyebrows first. I'm using an angled brush, filling my brows with black and brown color from Sivanna Smoky eyeshadow palette, creating those sharp edges. I always like to brush my brows with this spoolie. I'm using a MAC concealer to even out the skin tone, which helps in a smooth and easy blend of colors over it. I'm applying a white eyeshadow. You can use a loose powder as per your convenience. It is very easy to get those straight lines using any sticky tape or a cello tape of your choice. To highlighten my brow bones, I'm using a yellow gold eyeshadow shade and moving it towards the inner corners. For my eye makeup, I'm using a bright red shade as my transitional shade, using it a bit above my crease with the help of my blending brush. To deepen the crease area, I'm using Good Ego shade from Tencoco Take Me Home eyeshadow palette and moving the color towards the outer corner of my lid. To create a cut crease, I'm using a MAC concealer, cutting right in the center of my lid and spreading the concealer into the blended colors on the eyelid. I'm creating a very soft cut crease using a beautiful white shimmery eyeshadow and blending it well on my eyelid. Now, I am removing the sticky tape. Let's focus on the wings today. I am tracing out the outer lines first. I am extending the line a bit above my crease line. I am joining the line towards the outer third of my eyelid, creating a slight curve effect. Next, I have created a third line, joining my lash line to get those angel wings. I have created a dark bold line over the trace with my eyeliner pen and then fill in the wings. I am using a black eye pencil to fill in my waterline. I am using a small smudger brush to smoke out the wing and the lower lash. I'm completing the eyeliner by extending the lines towards the inner corner, creating a bold line. I have now applied glitter over my lids to give it a festive look. For my foundation, I have used Dior Forever Skin Glow. I'm blending it with my beauty blender. To contour, I'm using this brown color for my Makeup Studio Iconic Eye Palette. I'm going to be using it in the hollows of my cheekbones, my jawlines, and to contour my nose. I am blending the contour well. I am using ADS Pro Pencil to draw an outline to my lips and filling it with my Maybelline lipstick. I am applying one of my favorite blush on from Swiss Beauty, which is light peach and reddish pink shade. Oh my lips look really red. I will use my concealer to settle it down. For my bindi, I am using a hand-drawn bindi with my eye pencil, according to the size I want, and filling it with my Huda Beauty Matte Liquid Lipstick. I'm curling my lashes and volumizing them with a MAC mascara. And placing my false lashes on it. So this is how it looks. Now I'm going to do my hair, put some jewelry and show you my final look. And here is the complete look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And click the bell icon to get notifications on my new video. You can also DM me on my Instagram account. Thank you for watching.